Magandang araw po ulit at tayo magpapatuloy sa ating pag-aaral. At ngayon na po ay ang ating lesson na po ay week 3 sa Mathematics 7. At muli ako po ang inyong guro si Teacher Yul. Okay. Ang ating topic sa lesson natin sa week 3 ay about sa absolute value of a number and fundamental operations on integers. Okay, so let us discuss first the lesson 1 about the absolute value of number. Okay, bago tayo tumuloy doon sa ating lesson, let us have our short ang tawag dito ay advanced na information about the real number line o the real number system. Okay, so kasi dapat kailangan malaman natin yung tungkol sa real number line. Ano ba yung real number line? Okay, so ayan. So the real number line, meron sa real number line ng positive and negative numbers. Okay, so makikita niyo naman dito kung saan ng side ang positive and negative side. Okay, so ito yung mahalaga nating malaman bago tayo pumunta sa absolute value, no? Okay, at ayan, dagdag niyo yung point of origin. Okay, at tatandaan nyo kapag positive numbers, habang tumataas yung number, ay tumataas yung value. Pero pag sa negative numbers, habang tumataas yung number, ay bumababa ang value. Okay? So, puntahan natin yung ating lesson. The absolute value of a number is the distance of a number from 0. Okay? So, distance ang pinag-uusapan natin. Remember, distance itself is always positive. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung absolute value, dapat ang maging sign niya ay positive. At tandaan, no, karagdagan natin sa ating pinag-usapan numbers, we have only two sign numbers. Okay, we have only two sign numbers, which are the positive and negative numbers. So, yun lang. Then, the absolute value of a number is written as such that two vertical lines or parallel lines. Okay? So, ito yung n. Yan ang symbol dun sa ating value. Okay? So, since this is a variable. Okay? So, kaya tayo doon, no? Tatandaan lang dyan ay about the distance, no? Yun ang ating inaalam, no? Yung absolute value about the distance, referring to the distance, and then the value is always positive. Okay. So, dito sa picture na to, nakikita nyo, absolute value, ayan, pinapakita sa atin agad yung kanyang summary. So, malaman natin agad yung ating inaaral. So, ibig sabihin yan, meron tayo ditong 5 units, no? Ibig sabihin from 0, that is the point of origin. So, start from 0, lagi yung kanyang movement. So, 5 units. So, kapag yan ay kinonvert sa absolute value, ganito yan sinusulat, no? Ayan. So, 5. So, ito yung niya, value. Pinaka-final answer. Okay? So, ito yung nag-represent ng absolute value. Then, the final answer is 5. Then, it is always positive. Then, sa isang example naman, no, 4 units, ayan, nakita nyo, kahit sa ipapuntang kaliwa, 4 units from 0. Okay, so, alam naman natin, papuntang kaliwa, and the numbers, no, na makikita natin sa kaliwa, ay lahat sila ay negative, but we are talking the absolute value, kahit sa ipapuntang negative, and the distance, no? Yun ang natin concern, a positive ang kanyang sagot. Okay, so we are hinahanap natin, no? We are finding the distance. So that's why this is the absolute value, negative 4, but the final answer is 4. So, yun ang sinasabing always positive. Okay. Yan, distance is always positive or 0. Okay. So, we have another example. If x, no, we have a problem. If x is positive in integer, then the absolute value of x is x. Okay. So, applying the symbol, yung ating inaaral na symbol ng absolute, okay, laging ganun, then equal x. So, in our example, we have, kung ating gagamitin yung x, then this greater than 0. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, lahat ng numbers na greater than 0, from 0, ano yung mga number, no? Na mas malaki sa 0. So, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so, and so on. So, maraming numbers na magagamit doon kasi greater than 0. Lahat ng numbers na malaki sa 0. Okay? So, yun ay tatawagin natin infinite, no? Kasi, hindi natin kayang bilangin lahat kasi lahat ng numbers na greater than 0. So, another examples. Ito na yung parang sinusulat yung absolute value. So, 5 equals 5, negative 5, 5 pa rin, positive, 0, 0, positive, okay. So, number 4, ito yung bakit negative 5 at sabi natin ay dapat positive. So, nakikita niya, meron siyang remark o description undefined. So, it means that hindi siya match sa ating pinag-aaral na absolute value. Okay? So, dapat kung ano yung hinging value, yun ang bibigay positive. That's why ito ay ating tinawag na undefined. Okay, sunod. So, makikita naman natin dito ay yung illustrative examples, no? So, ito na po ay talagang pinapakita sa atin ng illustration. Yun, yung kanina, no, na sa unang slide ay pinakita na sa atin. No? So, yun, pareho lang yun. Yung 5 units, 4 units. So, ito naman 6 units. Okay? So, ganoon lang kadali ang absolute value. So, kung isusulat mo yun, ito na yan. Absolute value of 6. Ang sagot mo ay 6. Okay. Then, the other example is, ayan, the teacher illustrates solution of the on a number line. Okay, so absolute of A equals 3. It means that in this example, A, depende kasi meron tayong papuntang positive, papuntang negative. So, ang magiging sagot natin dito, no, the statement A equals 3 means that the values of A whose distance from 0 is 3. So, ibig sabihin yun nga, na either positive or negative. So, your answer will be either positive 3 and negative 3. So, pagkapag ganun yung problem na makikita, may encounter, you are asking about the value, no? Value. Okay? So, applying that, dapat hanapin mo yung ano yung maging sagot mo o kaya kasi variable siya variable. So, ano yung value? Then the condition is the distance from 0. So, mayroon dalawang sagot ka kasi either negative or either positive ang magiging sagot mo. Okay. So, ito na yung may kunting karagdagan tayo sa ating mga sagutin. Okay. So, letter A, find its absolute value. Ayun, sasagutin nyo na kung paano nyo naunawaan yung absolute value. Okay. Then, ito illustration. So, check the movement, the distance, no, itself. Okay, letter C. Okay, you are going to analyze. Then, nasa inyo na yan kung sasagutin nyo sa inyong sarili. Karagdagan na lang, karagdagan na sa inyong pag-aaral. Next. So, we have additional lesson about the absolute value by applying the addition and subtraction of integers. Okay. So, dito, we are using the zero pair. Ito ay maraming pwedeng gamitin dito sa zero pair ng mga pieces, no? Hindi lang yung itong shape na itong ginagamit natin ngayon. Okay. So, you can use the chips, you can use the tiles. Okay. So, absolute value plays a vital role in performing operations on integers. Study the illustrations and analyze carefully the discussion that follow. In the following illustrations, the first is a positive, and then the second shape represents the negative numbers. So, ayun. So, to become zero, it must be opposite. So, meron tayong positive, meron tayong negative. So, ayun. Then, zero pair. So, paano ina-apply yan? By addition and subtraction. Okay. Number one example. We have the three shapes which are positive. No? And then our expression or equation rather, no? Equation 3 plus 2 equals 5. So, ipapakita mo lang yun kung how to apply the zero pair. So, since ito ay addition, wala naman tayo na ibabawas na addition tayo. That's why we are using all positive shape. No? Lahat ay positive. That's why imamas lang natin kung tama ating equation. So, we have 3 positive, then plus 2 positive. So, meron tayong 5 na sagot. So, ito na yung may kasama ng subtraction. So, ito. Kung makikita nyo yung zero pair, ayan, so we have 1 and other 1 is negative. Ayan, imamas yan. Ayun. So, ibig sabihin yan ay kapag minats niya, tinapatan niya, mawala na. So, yun pang ibig sabihin ng zero pair. So, ito yung ginagamit natin para mas maunawaan natin yung ating mga solving o computation. Okay. So, zero pair, dalawang positive, dalawang negative. Kapag pinag-match siya, wala na din matitira. That's why that is zero pair. So, another one. Okay, so 3 and minus 2 positive. Kaya lang, kapag ito ay naging mag-change yung sign niya, maging positive. Okay, so that's why, ayan, mawawala yung kanyang negative. Okay, maging positive, kaya 5 ang sagot niya. Okay, so check nyo po yan. Although, aral natin yung paano mag-change na sign by multiplication and division. Okay, kapag magkatabi kasi ang signs, it means that is multiplication, multiplying the signs. Then, ito pareho naman din dun sa isa. Okay, karagdagan dito, combine 2 positive sign tiles and 6 negative sign tiles. So, ayun, we have 2 positive and then 6 negatives. Okay. So, ayan, magkatabi naman yung sign, change the sign na by multiplication rule. Okay, so the answer is negative 4. So, alamin natin yan sa mga rules ng multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division. Okay. So, ayun na, kung paano i-apply yung zero pair by using different shapes. Okay. So, additional, ayan, yung ating mga talakay. Okay. So, we have the absolute value itself, then addition, how to, So, ito, madali lang naman ito. Alam niyo na yan. Okay, okay, sige. Absolute value, ito, kung 5, wala na masyadong problema dito, then dito rin. Ito, bakit negative 5? Kasi, yung sign niya, hindi na kasama sa absolute value. Tatandaan yan. Dapat hindi mawala yan. Kukopyahin pa rin yan. Ito, ganun din. So, kahit negative siya, naging positive na yan, pero may negative pa sa labas, kaya negative 5. Ito naman, yung negative niya nasa labas, that's why that is negative. So, hindi maapektuhan yung nasa labas. Sa loob lang, sa sakop lang ng absolute value. Addition, ayan. How to add the absolute value, ayan. So, titignan nyo, ipa-plus nyo muna ba, then, ikukunin yung final answer. Then, ito naman, by using the addition rule and subtraction rule, ayan. So, change the sign, so it becomes 10 minus 5. Okay. 10 minus 5. Okay. So, that is, kamali tayo dyan. Nahilo tayo, nahilo. Okay, let's change. So, maging 10 minus 5, mag-change the sign, maging negative din. So, 10 minus, hiwalay pa that. Okay, tama pa, tama ta. So, ito yung absolute of 10, then last absolute of 5. So, maging 10 plus, ilalabas natin yung negative 5, maging positive 5. That's why that is 15. Okay? At ito naman, sige, pakita natin ito. 10 plus 5. So, ilabas natin yung absolute 10 plus 5 maging 15. Ayan, kulong siya. So, absolute of 15. 15 ang final answer. So, dito naman, nakita ang pagkakaiba, may negative sign yung dalawang value. So, negative, mag-carry niya yan. So, magkakaroon siya ng negative 15. Then, ito rin, maging negative 15 plus 5. Yan, yung problema dyan. Dito. Negative 15. No. Negative 10. Ayan. Negative 10. Ito. Plus. Ito yung maging positive. So, ayan. May yan. Namali tayo dito. So, negative 10 plus 5 sa rules ng addition and subtraction. So, ito yung different signs, mabawas tayo. That's why that is negative 5. Okay. Negative 5 ang ating sagot. So, subtraction tayo kasi different signs. Mas malaki ito ng 10. So, para kopyahin yung sign ng 10. Negative. So, next, number 9. Number 9 tayo. Negative 10 plus negative 5. So, mapapansin nyo, para-parang numbers ang ginamit ko para hindi na kayo. At makita na din yung pagkakaiba. So, negative 10. Then, maging, lahat yan ay maging positive na ilabas mo lang maging 10 plus positive 5. So, that, yan kasi ang ating inaaral na absolute value. That's why. Okay, ang tamang sagot po ay 15, positive. And that is the absolute value. Then, ito po, all positives. Kaya, ayan. So, yan, how to add the absolute value. Kasama ng operation. Then, sa subtraction, para din dito. Sa subtraction, okay, follow the rules. 10 minus 5, 5. Absolute value muna. I-ano nyo muna. I-simplify muna. No? 10 minus 5, dapat ano. So, minus 5. Okay, so equals, absolute muna, simplify lang. Okay. So, simplify muna bago kayo magsabi ng absolute value. Then ito, minus 10, maging positive yan. Then, positive 5. No? 10, positive. Okay, since na subtraction yan, 10 minus 5 equals 5. So, ito naman, positive 10 minus negative 5, absolute value of negative 5. So, maging positive siya at subtraction to. Okay, hindi na bago. So, ayan, dito tayo ay 1, 2, 3. May positive dito tayo nagkamali na. Ito, negative 10. Ayan, ito ay 5 na lang. Okay. So, that is negative 5. Okay, na-check naman natin yung kanina. So, dito, hindi na-check yung ano. Masa number 3. 10 minus 5. So, that is 5 na lang. Okay. So, dahil, simplify natin. So, positive 10. Then, negative 5 maging 5. Okay. So, ito na maging positive 5. Okay. So, next, 10 minus negative 5. So, ganun, maging positive pa rin yan. Ayun. Hindi na nga siya na bago na. Pareho na lang. So, pareho na lang yan. Pareho na lang. Okay. So, 15. 5 minus negative 10. Absolute of negative 10. So, maging, ayan. Hindi na palitan siya. 5. Then, minus 10. Ayan. So, ayan. Hindi na carry ito siya. Plus, negative 5. Ayan. So, ayan. Medyo hindi lang napalitan yung mga numbers. Okay. So, basta alam niyo yung rules ng absolute value, then hindi maapektuhan yung kanyang operation sa labas. O even the sign of the number. So,